to get the poops to come out.
Oh,
What's
you need
happening?
this? Well, roll
Is
this
it
first.
eating it?
Yes.
And then comes up the other
Yes.
side?
How come this
Oh,
was,
3.
Oh boy.
this
Wow.
was inside the yellow
Joe,
thing?
watch this. You ready?
How come this was inside?
1.
3.
One more.
Squeeze
One
it,
more.
Christopher.
Let it go all the way first, buddy. Let it go. Now squeeze it.
One more time.
One
One
more
more
time.
time.
Christopher.
One more time.
Christopher, one more. No,
One
no, no.
more.
Christopher.
One more time, Christopher.
Squeeze it.
Yucky.
Oh my god,
It's
it's
yucky.
coming out the other side.
Squeeze it one more time.
Squeeze it.
That's why it was yucky. That isn't in it.
This helps you figure out how much food to put in them. Okay, no, that's his. That's his. He won a poop.
He won a poop. Yay! Congratulations.
Where do you put it? That's yucky. That's yucky.
I know,
That's
it's yours.
yucky.
You won it.
Where do you put it?
You just keep it
keeps
on your
it.
shovel.
But what
Yes.
about the next time?
If he gets another one, then it
What
goes on that
happened to
shovel.
yours?
I didn't get one because I was
Just
just
show
showing you how it worked.
Stop it, Alex.
No,
that's not-
I'm not Alex.
That's Phil.
Alex is much better hair than me.
That's Alex.
Oh,
Alex
you
is stuffing the
too.
dog.
bad.
Jonan,
I can definitely taste
Hang
it.
on,
Hold
buddy.
on, buddy. It's good. I'm not much of a lager guy though.
where's the... Oh, it's right here.
I like stouts
We'll see
personally.
if Christopher will want to eat
Yeah,
any.
Christopher, you want some
I
cheese
love
or-
cherry
or
weed.
Jonan?
It's so
Okay,
good.
Jonan,
Okay.
roll the
Like
dice.
Or your own.
What?
I don't think I have to try Alex.
I did this number.
Oh,
Roll
those are
it.
probably out, yeah.
What?
Okay. Well, then squeeze it
No,
twice.
those are probably. Thanks.
So
Squeeze it really
How
hard.
is
No, he doesn't eat the real food, sweetie.
Christopher eats the food.
He only
Okay.
eats the cherry. Good job.
Aren't they?
Hang on.
Yeah, did you have some cherries on?
Lately we've been having
Yeah.
I'm Dave, by the way.
That's
Bill,
not
Happy New
a.
Year.
Happy New Year.
That's not a 3-year-old thing.
It's not almost
I work
out
with
yet.
most of
I know we
these
gotta
schools.
wait.
Is that,
listen.
what-
At the
is
very
that what
end,
you guys
if
call
you
it?
don't get to have a
What?
come
Been
on,
doing
we'll
it
let you
games
do
all
one,
day is work.
okay?
Yeah,
Your
It's
turn.
yucky.
it's.
It's less
You
Remind
really,
us.
you really work at it too, right?
Huh?
You really work at it.
Did you
to
roll the
make it
dice?
work. Anyway,
Roll it again.
Did you touch the
we'll do it
food?
till a real job comes along.
2.
It's a real job. You know, programming ATMs or something.
Oh,
I did it a little bit more.
You got the fruits.